Did you know that in Gambia, the courts do not recognize prenuptial agreements? Did you know that? So you came from the UK, you came from the US, and you came to Gambia, and you saw this woman. She knocked you off your feet. And now you're feeling butterflies inside, and there are daisy flowers all around you. And you say, I'm going to marry this woman. If you are a superior man, you have a net worth of over 250,000. I want you to listen to this carefully. Remember, I told you, even if you have a prenuptial agreement written, signed, and dated by all interested parties, the courts in Gambia do not recognize prenuptial agreements. So, you sign on the dotted line, you got married, you have kids, you build compounds, and then the divorce comes around. Guess what? That prenuptial agreement is null and void.